Jack Thompson runs various events in track. He says he gives his best every day to be where he is today.
I run the 800 and the mile. Lots of years of hard training and dedication, just going in, day out, and giving my best. Normal training day, I get there, warm up, do all my stretches, and then get on with the workout. And after the workout, I do my cool down and stretch and leave. I started running halfway through 3rd grade, and I started because I always liked to do it, and I thought I could get better at it.
Even though there are a lot of physical barriers in track, there are numerous mental obstacles that our athletes have to overcome.
Mostly mental blocks, because your body tells you don't want to go anymore, but you just have to keep pushing through the pain. My main goals this year are to break 5 minutes in the mile and just do my best.
Thompson is seated 50th in the nation for his 1500, quoting, "Well, turns out I'm 50th in the nation in the 1500 meter run. Thank you to everyone who supported me on my journey to the AAU Junior Olympics."
So that was just my ranking in my event in my age group at nationals. So theoretically I was 50th, but who knows.
Thompson has competed in various places throughout the course of his running career, including numerous state and national events, and in one placing 50th in the nation.
I've been to multiple national and state events. All the national ones, well, the first one was in North Carolina, and then the last 2 that I went to were in Florida.
For Willow Springs News, this is Dominique Ionerelli. And Keira Bowling.